Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So when we were at Costco, we got one of the rotisserie chickens here. I'm going to show it to you guys. So when we're going to use it for like pulled chicken, we will get a bigger one because one time we got a smaller one and it was like a lot of bone and we really ended up not getting very much meat. So and the trick about this is find the biggest one because they're all $4.99 no matter which one you buy. True. So bargain tip for you. Doesn't matter. It'll be $5 either way. So get a big one. So we're gonna shred that, put it in the crock pot, and then do smashed potatoes. But we thought we would take you along with us. So if you would like to see this video, then stay tuned and we'll get right to cooking. First, I'm going to start by spraying my crock pot with this avocado oil spray. I really like to do this just because it makes the cleanup process a little easier because everything won't be sticking to your crock pot. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and start shredding my chicken. I typically just shred it by hand. Nice and easy, and it really helps make sure you get all that chicken off the bone. So yeah, that's just what I like to do. And next we're going to go into the seasonings that I used for the chicken. All right, so first I started with this everything but the bagel seasoning. I don't think I've ever done this on poultry before, but I thought I would just try it. It actually turned out to be really, really good. So yeah, try it. I thought it was really yummy. All right, then we went in with this rib rack barbecue sauce. We picked this up at Publix on a BOGO deal. It's really clean. I don't believe there's any added sugar. And yeah, it's just a really good barbecue sauce. And I just wanted to make sure that I had enough barbecue sauce and that my seasonings were nice and mixed together. As I was mixing it, I did find that I needed some more of that everything but the bagel seasoning, so I did add more of that. Also on the barbecue sauce, our jar was not completely full. If you have a full jar, I would go ahead and use it all because our chicken was a little on the dry side. Now we're going to go into our cooking in the crock pot. I did go ahead and put my crock pot on high for this recipe. And I did go ahead and set my timer for 45 minutes. And now we're going to make our smashed potatoes. I'm starting with the avocado oil spray. Again, I really love this method. This is the second time I made these potatoes. We also did these in our chili video. I will link that for you guys. All right, then we just used our little potatoes. I had used some of these in a prior recipe, so I just went ahead and finished them off before they went bad. All right, and then I did go ahead and go back in with the avocado oil spray and just coat the top of my potatoes. The reason I coat the bottom is A, because I don't want them to stick really bad to my pan, and also because coating the bottom and the top really helps your seasoning stick really good. And as you'll see, I mixed them really, really good to make sure that all the potatoes had oil on them. Trust me, this method actually works really well and makes yummy, yummy potatoes. And then next we're going to go into seasoning our potatoes. I just started with some salt. I did not measure any of my seasonings, just eyeballed them. I did keep the seasonings really simple because I didn't want the flavor of the potatoes to overpower our chicken. I just wanted it to all go really well together. All right, and then next I just went in with some black pepper. All right, and then after the black pepper, I did use some garlic powder. I did go a little heavier on the garlic powder just because I really like the taste of garlic powder. You could mix it up and do whatever seasonings you like. Again, like I said, I just really wanted to keep it simple for this recipe. All right, and then I did go back and mix them up. This really helped to make sure that all of your seasonings stick really well, which like I said, if you have that oil base, it really helps you to achieve just a really good potato. I don't know, you guys, try it. I think it works really good. All right, and then I did preheat my oven to 450. I feel like that's a really good temperature, and these potatoes actually came out really good cooking on that temperature. When my timer from my chicken was at 35 minutes, I did go ahead and put my potatoes into the oven. And I will say when that timer was up and I went to check my potatoes, you could hear them sizzling before I ever even opened the oven. And you guys, they were so, so good. And the last thing we did was just top with some butter. And now we're going to go into some time-lapse footage. right, so when we plated our food, we did go ahead and add a little more barbecue sauce because, like I mentioned, we didn't start with a full bottle and our chicken was a little on the dry side. So I would definitely make sure to use a full bottle of that barbecue sauce or whatever sauce you choose. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you make this recipe, let us know below in the comments, and there definitely will be more budget-friendly crock-pot recipes to come. Okay, dinner's done. Oh, it looks good. So we did put a little barbecue on top because it kind of dried out from being in the crock pot, but that's normal. So now we're going to taste it. You might hear a dog in the background because she knows we're tasting food.
I'm sure you get some potato with it.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
It's really good.
That.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's really, really good. It was really easy and pretty cheap too. Yeah, so I hope you guys like that video. I hope you make it, and if you do, let us know in the comments. We're really enjoying sharing our recipes with you, and like we cook anyway, so why not?
Right.
So, anything you want to add?
Nope.
All right. Hope you guys enjoyed that easy crock pot meal. Stay tuned because there will definitely be more coming because I'm always cooking and I like to share with you guys. So, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And with all of that being said, remember, you can call us the Counts.